This milk just broke the laws of physics! Look at this incredible rainbow explosion happening right in front of me! Do you know this is working? Look at this magical rainbow tornado spinning in ordinary milk! But how is this even possible? Let me investigate.
Can you figure out what's happening here? What could make boring white milk explode into beautiful dancing rainbow colors?
Hi there, young scientists. I'm Professor Nova from WonderLabs, and today we're solving an absolutely mind-blowing mystery together. Boo! This experiment will blow your mind. I have everything ready here. Are you prepared for some serious science magic? First, let me pour some completely normal, ordinary milk into this bowl. Nothing special about this milk yet.
Now I'm carefully adding drops of red, blue, yellow, and green food coloring. Watch them float on the surface.
Well, that's
Completely boring! The colors just sit there doing absolutely nothing! How disappointing! But wait!
I have a secret weapon that will change everything. This simple cotton swab holds the power to create magic.
Watch very carefully now. I'm about to touch the food coloring with my secret weapon. This moment will change everything forever. Incredible! Look at this amazing explosion of colors. It's like a rainbow tornado dancing in the milk. So beautiful. Every single touch creates a new explosion. Each one is different and spectacular. This is the most amazing thing ever. The secret behind this magic? It's dish soap. This ordinary household item created all these spectacular color explosions. The science is fascinating. Milk contains fat molecules, and soap breaks down fat. That's what causes these incredible dancing color patterns.
Soap molecules are like tiny warriors attacking fat molecules. They break the surface tension and make colors dance wildly around.
You can safely try this amazing experiment at home. Ask an adult to help you create your own rainbow magic. Next week, I'll show you how to make this balloon float without helium. Subscribe for more wonderful science mysteries.